Dear friends, good morning. I Jaswant Singh Kailasia welcomes in our YouTube channel Parad Germinates the Democracy. This channel also having an Hindi version named as Parad Loktantra Ka Ankuran. This channel is an official channel of our newly launched political party named Parad. We consider that our this political party is the first and only political party of India. The term Paraj is an abbreviation of our party. We have prepared a vision document of this party, and nowadays we are discussing about the contents of some important chapter of this vision document. Now, in this episode, we are discussing the contents of the chapter 10 of this vision document. The title of this chapter is The Ground Realities of So-Called Indian Democracy as Held as Biggest, Greatest and Lived Democracy of the World. This chapter has been divided into 7 parts. In this episode, we are discussing about the last and the 7th part of this chapter 10, as that we have requested in earlier episodes that our party's vision document is purely technical in nature and we are not perfect in speaking English language, so we are directly reading the contents of this chapter like this. A mockeryful and mentionable strange thing is also that in Indian culture, read Indian ruling class culture and theology, there is a very important custom of dana and dakshina, donation and presents given to Brahmins. That's why the Indian ruling class coined the term matdana. Matdana means donate your vote to ruling class only. That's why, according to the culture and theology, during election time, ruling class approach to the voters read vote donator and request for to donate their vote. Another trick and tactic is also adopted under this culture and theology by using the term Ashirvad. With this type of classes, dear voter and supporter, please give us your Ashirvad, is uttered during election campaign, rallies and public meetings loudly and frequently. Theological meanings, connotation of this term is that Ashirvad means blessings is always given by a great personality to repute and position to the junior mean and the common person. Under connotation of this term Ashirvad indicate that when a great personality or personalities of repute and position request for Ashirvad blessings from a junior mean and common persons, then this person in itself feel very proud and very important one. Then under this impression read illusion, common men tender their vote in bulk as beeline to that particular party candidate asking, requesting for Ashirvad. So also because of in so-called Indian culture and theology, dana dakshina considered very important. Hence, these activities are carried out and conducted with eminently and with glorification. When great leader reaches in the hutment of a few person, those are having a big voter group, those are living in villages, mud houses, slum areas, at the town, cities, and eat food, then all the men mainstream media of a country is repeatedly exhibit and project this event as that a great revolutionary work has been done by this great leader. This voter group also feels very proud and come under the superiority complex and consider themselves as that there are so many other one more important than us. There is no any other one more important than us. What then? This voters group make their mind to tender read Dana, their voters read Mata in bulk with a psychology of self glorification to this great leader, its party's candidate. As far as the consideration read Dakshina in lieu of Dana, we have been discussed about these aspects earlier, though we would like to add here that in these affairs, great tradition of Dana Dakshina of the great culture of Indian ruling class is being implemented and performed vigorously in this world's greatest, largest, and living democracy of India. A new chapter has been also added of using election voting machine EVM in India. Whatever the social conditions exist and due to the regions where there is deprivations of sufficient education, lack of social awareness, lack of knowledge of the importance of vote in the common man, for which we have discussed and explained in this vision document project, and also due several other reasons in our opinion to conduct the election are totally unfair. Fundamentally, it violated the doctrine of the perfect transparency and jurisprudential principles, while litigation it makes the condition of lack of direct, credible, undoubtful, unchallengeable documentary evidences. Secondly, that in this era of cybercrime, when even a cyber criminal experts can hack the very confidential documents related to state security, inflicted viruses in the EVM machines, infliction, corruption, and then commanding is a very simple job. A few days ago, there was a viral video clip in YouTube platform. In this video, it was demonstrated that a operator of the voting machine by internal setting, he can manage the voting according to his choice, though even the actual voter pressing the button of the symbol of the candidate of its choice. There is a famous proverb, everything is fair in love and war. In India, whatsoever and whichsoever election are conducted, they are all actually just like war for the ruling class. So also in the era of moral degradation, greediness towards ruling power and pleasure, anybody anytime can corrupt and control the EVMs, though through latest technology. The mentionable facts is that in most of the countries of the world, the conduction of election through EVM machine have been banned. Then in India, why this is being encouraged? Hence, as per the title of this chapter, the facts described above indicate that the claim and rejoices of Indian is a greatest, largest, and living democracy of the world, crumbled and shattered completely. Farad took all the aspects thinking described in this chapter very seriously. Dear friends, with this episode, chapter 10 of the vision document of the Parad is concluded. At present, we are not requesting for subscribing, liking, and sharing this channel. But after viewing at least 10 to 15 episodes, we believe that definitely you shall subscribe, like, and share it, and would be associated with our party, Parad. Thanks for being with us